Discover the top car brands from around the world as we highlight each country's most iconic names in the automotive industry. Mahindra from India, valued for durability. Tesla from USA, famous for electric innovation. Honda from Japan, praised for reliability. Bugatti from France, recognized for extreme performance. Chrysler from USA, noted for the classic American style. Mini from UK, loved for compact fun. Maserati from Italy, admired for Italian luxury. Lancia from Italy, respected for heritage design. GMC from USA, built for rugged trucks. Xpeng Motors from China, rising for smart EVs. Lotus from UK, celebrated for lightweight handling. Polestar from Sweden, highlighted for clean EV design. Ford from USA, iconic for toughness. Hyundai from South Korea, appreciated for value and tech. Alfa Romeo from Italy, recognized for passionate styling. Bentley from UK, renowned for bespoke luxury. Acura from Japan, praised for precision luxury. Renault from France, trusted for everyday practicality. Dodge from the USA, famous for muscle power. Land Rover from UK, respected for off-road ability. Nissan from Japan, valued for smart innovation. Koenigsegg from Sweden, famed for hypercar engineering. Volkswagen from Germany, trusted for reliable design. Audi from Germany, admired for tech-driven luxury. Jaguar from UK, celebrated for British refinement. Top from Turkey, emerging for modern EVs. Chevrolet from USA, popular for versatile models. Rimac from Croatia, acclaimed for electric hypercars. Seat from Spain, recognized for youthful energy. SSC North America from USA, famous for top speed. McLaren from UK, respected for precision supercars. Kia from South Korea, praised for stylish value. Ferrari from Italy, legendary for racing heritage. Citroën from France, known for quirky comfort. Lincoln from USA, appreciated for premium comfort. Great Wall Motors from China, noted for value serves. Subaru from Japan, trusted for all-wheel reliability. BMW from Germany, celebrated for driving performance. Aston Martin from UK, admired for elegant sports cars. Volvo from Sweden, respected for safety excellence. Genesis from South Korea, rising for modern luxury. Rolls-Royce from UK, unmatched for ultimate luxury. Lexus from Japan, praised for refined comfort. Fiat from Italy, known for the compact city cars. Suzuki from Japan, valued for practical small cars. Toyota from Japan, famous for long-lasting reliability. Alpina from Germany, admired for luxury performance. Rovi from China, positioned for premium comfort. Hummer from USA, famed for rugged power. Rivian from USA, recognized for adventure EVs. Soisin from Japan, remembered for youth-focused cars. Infiniti from Japan, appreciated for performance luxury. Morgan from UK, celebrated for classic craftsmanship. Peugeot from France, favored for stylish practicality. Isuzu from Japan, noted for commercial toughness. Donkerwood from Netherlands, renowned for lightweight exotics. Pininfarina from Italy, iconic for automotive design. Spyker from Netherlands, admired for boutique sports cars. Brabus from Germany, famous for high-performance tuning. Daihatsu from Japan, valued for micromobility. Hongqi from Japan, marked for flagship luxury. Skoda from Czech Republic, praised for clever value. Noble from UK, respected for lightweight supercars. Di Tommaso from Italy, remembered for retro performance. Zenvo from Denmark, recognized for Danish hypercars. Singer vehicle design from USA, famed for Porsche restorations. Ariel from UK, celebrated for minimalist performance. TVR from the UK, noted for raw sports cars. Faraday Future from USA, highlighted for futuristic EVs. Celine from USA, known for performance upgrades. VinFast from Vietnam, rising for rapid EV growth. Fisker from USA, praised for boutique supercars. Ginetta from UK, respected for motorsport heritage. Pagani from Italy, admired for artistic hypercars. Byton from China, recognized for digital interiors. Baojun from China, valued for budget mobility. Arinera from Poland, noted for polished supercars. Apollo Automobile from Germany, praised for exotic engineering. Abarth from Italy, loved for hot compact cars. Mazda from Japan, admired for spirited driving. Jeep from USA, iconic for trail capability. Lucid Motors from USA, acclaimed for luxury EV range. Karma Automotive from the USA, appreciated for hybrid luxury. Hennessy from USA, famous for extreme tuning. Haval from China, focused on SUV specialization. Draco Motors from USA, recognized for electric supercars. Datsun from Japan, remembered for nostalgic simplicity. Changan from Japan, rising for mass market innovation. Opel from Germany, valued for practical engineering. Nanoflow Cell from Liechtenstein, noted for flow battery tech. Mercedes-Benz from Germany, respected for premium engineering.